The first fundamental of using a kettlebell is the setup. And now this stuff can be simple and easy, but it is really boring. So what I'm gonna do is try to explain it in under 1 minute. Here we go. When setting up to use the kettlebell, we're concerned with 3 things. Number 1, grip position. Number 2, distance away from the kettlebell. And number 3 is our posture. As far as grip position goes, we wanna make sure that we're in the center of the bell or a little bit to the inside knuckle of the bell. This will allow us to make a better clean and have a little bit of hand movement when we're in the rack position. So we want to stand about 12 to 18 inches behind the kettlebell. This is going to allow us to build momentum during our hike and our clean, but also tilt the kettlebell back to make an easy transition into that hike. The posture that we want to use when setting up to use a kettlebell is going to be hips above knees, shoulders above hips. We're going to grab the bell and we're going to try to extend your upper back and pull your shoulder away from your ear. This is going to allow us to make a very efficient hike and a very smooth clean. And if you're having difficulty with any of those positions, we're gonna do a bunch of exercises in the next video that can help you get there. So that was a brief overview of the setup for using kettlebells. You can see how your setup can affect the lifts that come later on. If you're having any difficulty getting into that position because maybe you have hip or back tightness, please watch the next video because we're going over some drills that can help you.